Alright, we have this Ford pickup truck here, and whenever it's real cold outside, or whenever, you know, temperature kind of changes, I noticed some idle surging the other day, so I hooked up the scan tool, and if you look at our fuel trims here, if we get the wear off of it, there you go, look at our fuel trims. You know, looks like we're running pretty lean. 24 on, you know, long term on both mains. If we raise our RPM up, you know, it drops down. So to me, looks like we got a vacuum leak. Alright, so we're gonna go over a couple of the little things that I like to use to try, you know, finding vacuum leaks. Alright, now I know there's quite a few different ways you try to figure out a vacuum leak. The method I'm gonna use is just a water bottle with a little hole poked in the top of it. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start spraying over everything, listening. Vacuum lines over here, around the manifold, the throttle body and everything. See right there. As soon as I hit this elbow down here, hopefully I can hear this.